Hello children, how are you all? Today in this video we will see the format of notice writing. Before we learn the format of notice writing, let's see what is a notice. Notice is a written or printed information or news announcement. Notices are either displayed at prominent places or published in newspapers or magazine. It is meant only for a selected group. Since a notice contains a formal announcement or information, its tone and style is formal and factual. Its language should be simple and formal. Notice is always brief and to the point. Now, let's see the format of notice writing. When you're writing a notice, the first one should be a creative heading. And when you're writing a creative heading, every first letter should be in capital and the rest should be in smaller case. After creative heading comes the name of the event. After name of the event comes date, on which date the event is going to be organized. After date comes time. At what time the event is going to start. After time, venue. At which place the event is going to be organized. After venue comes for whom you are writing this notice, that you have to specify here. Now let's see a sample question for notice. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting volunteers for the one-day blood donation camp to be organized in your school. So for blood donation camp, you have to invite volunteers. So for this, you have to write a notice. So when you are writing a notice, and here blood donation camp is the name of the event. Now when you are writing the notice, the first one should be your creative heading. So for this event, be a lifesaver. This is what I have written as my creative heading here. So be a lifesaver. And then comes the name of the event, blood donation camp. After the name of the event comes date, on 30th September 2020. And when you see here you should not write DATE date and then you are writing the date. No. So directly you have to write on 30th September 2020. This is the format of writing the date. After that you have to write time. From. Here also you are not writing time, time, and then you are specifying the time. No. So directly you have to write from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Like this you have to write the time. After time comes venue. Here also you should not write venue and then writing the place. No. At main hall, St. George's Grammar School. Like this you have to write the venue. Then comes for whom you are writing this notice. So this is for inviting volunteers. So for whom you are inviting? All the students from classes 8 to 10 willing to volunteer the event can give their names to vice principal. So this is how you have to write a notice. Thank you, boys.